Go to your preferred browser and search for Proton VPN download. Open the first link, click on download, select your downloading option, and here we can see the Proton VPN is now downloading. Once it's downloaded, go to your file explorer, go to download folder, find out protonvpn.exe, launch the installer, click on yes, select your preferred language, click on next, and here I'm going to deselect all of them, clicking on install. Once Proton VPN successfully installed, launch the VPN. If you're first time, you can just create a new account to use Proton VPN. So in my case, I'm just enter here my email address and password to log into my Proton VPN account. Now complete the puzzle, and once you successfully signed in, all you have to need to connect to your PC with the VPN, click on connect. And here we can see my PC successfully connected to Japan server. So this is how you can actually connect a VPN with our computer. Thanks for watching.